Hello everyone. So my name is Nam Vishan. My college is.
Tuấn Anh Nguyễn.
So today we're gonna present about management of IKEA. So here's our outline. First thing is we introduction to IKEA. IKEA is established by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943 in Sweden. Available in 49 countries in 411 stores with over 190,000 employees. So revenue reached 36 billion euro for facilitating long-term investment and stable financial sector for sustainable growth. Corporate social responsibility. IKEA ensures sustainable environmentally friendly development. Products are safe for use and are produced with acceptable working conditions. Responsible for environment with sustainable management of wood forestry. Next is my colleague gonna talk about external environment factor.
Yes. Here's like pestle analysis. Firstly, political stated in Sweden at the home and in New Zealand as a headquarters are stable, which facilitate good business condition for IKEA. Similarity, the main market of IKEA, which are European country and USA, have a stable political condition. For example, China and India have low political barrier to welcome foreign investment and increase the international brand. Yeah. The IKEA's supply chain and operation activity can be affected by the political instability, since the measures of IKEA supply chain Europe-based, with next, economic factor. The global finance crisis is the biggest obstacle for multinational companies. The next is the social culture is performing in international market. Is it clear that its country and area has its own local social and cultural values? Next is technology. Its global technology is developing very rapidly. All the business and apply the latest technology to produce wood and provide the service to customer. Next is environmental sustainability and environment protect and law and protection are now at focus attention for both business and consumers. At low price cannot attract consumer.
Okay.
Here is the impact and implication of IKEA. The finance crisis affect IKEA revenue and profits. However, IKEA can reduce the effect of global recession on the firm. Next, finance crisis make customers reduce the living cost. Why? The manager, IKEA should manage the maintenance cost to produce the price customer to remain brand quality finish at reasonable prices. Next, there was some scandal of IKEA in terms of culture and misunderstanding. The reason is that IKEA need to be more aware of the cultural distance and also improve their performance to meet the requirement to avoid misunderstanding or any scandal.
So more about impact and implication. IKEA should focus on customer experience. Need to enhance its application of digital tools and support sustainable development. Last is concentrate on socially responsible project aiming at children, human, environment, and work closely with organizations as UNICEF, WWF, according to IKEA 2017. So here about key management issue. Operating in many countries and regions, IKEA has to face supply quality issue, has to control quality standard, supply chain management is not really good. IKEA is facing control challenges in its international expansion. The control missteps do not only appear in areas with long control distance with IKEA but also appear even in the US market. There are control problems in some markets, Hence, IKEA need to have more diversification in their management to improve work atmosphere, control understanding, and strengthen the variation of employees. Here's some aspect of planning and management of achieving IKEA goals. The way IKEA plan and management contribute to the success of the company. In IKEA management is not only about making profit, but also put employee into appreciation. With effective planning, IKEA can avoid problem rising from staff, encourage them to work better, and respond to serving customer. It obtain the vision and goal. IKEA vision to it create a better every life for people.
In some effect planning, help employee clarify exactly what the firm want to go, and also they're planning to have IKEA to review all the existing operations, resources, and capabilities of the organization and identify what they target and what they need. They're also affecting on planning management. They help IKEA to allocate and use the efficient all resources. Without the effective planning, IKEA cannot effectively managing risks and uncertainties. The planning allow IKEA to develop various what if and scenario that management think of possible risks and developing contingent plan. They plan promote cooperation of all staff at IKEA. They also plan help IKEA to get a view of the strength and the weakness related to rival. They also plan also help IKEA captures opportunity and mitigate risk. A job founder in vast campus also contribute a lot of to the development of IKEA. This help IKEA to react immediately with the opportunities and trust from the market.
Okay, the organizational culture at IKEA represents a characteristic of Swedish cultural background, and this is enforced throughout the global IKEA. Employees are encouraged to enjoy to work for IKEA and in turn give a good service for customers. Okay. At IKEA, employees have great freedom to solve problems. Employees can freely express their idea, and they have built the culture of simplicity and informality. Okay. Equality is an important point in operation culture of IKEA. First thing is teamwork. At IKEA, teamwork is always highly appreciated. And diversity and inclusion, nearly 50% of IKEA management are women. Women also represent half of IKEA employees. Innovation and creativeness. Okay. In order to obtain organization goals, each individual work must be managed. Okay, and well, IKEA has been successfully employing flat organization structure with the firm and installed to build employees' attitude of job commitment, involvement, and ownership. Flat organization structure, IKEA provide employees greater certification for employees and higher degrees to self-actualization.
More information about flat structure. Flat structure comprise only few layers and must less than total structure. Any flat structure is layer of number of employees report to the manager. Hence, the managers do not provide close to supervision, but the employee have a great level of freedom in action of problem solving. This is a disadvantage for individuals who are not self-educated but need guidance from managers. Additionally, advancement opportunities are limited as there are a few layers. factor affecting of IkEA. Factor affecting of IkEA organization. Quite critical point of organization culture of IkEA is belong to the well-known charisma of the founder, Isvaska Kapas. He affect processes and routine and cultural respect, employee and innovation. His impact on the culture of equality, just addition of the staff, anti-bureaucratic, and the establishment of the flat organization, which facilitate rapid decision making, is also a result of the great freedom and confidence of staff.
IkEA corporate control organization from the Swedish culture, in which the core value is equality. The Swedish culture and the impact of inval contract also control IkEA organizational control, in which all employees make effort for the goals and objectives of the company, and employees are stimulated to have freedom in finding and implementing solutions themselves. We related with low power distance, so according to we go reference string here for our present, as you can see. So thank you for watching, and
Thanks for listening.
Thank
This is
you.
the end of our presentation.
thank you.
Bye.
Happy.